Representing U.S. Embassy Singapore. This is our real first collaboration between NASEF and SCAPE and the embassy, so really excited to see how this goes, explore career opportunities in the gaming industry. The gaming industry is huge, and about a third of the billions of dollars of revenue and jobs are actually located in the U.S. So it's a really exciting space to be thinking about all kinds of different exchanges, sending people back and forth between the U.S. and Singapore.
It has been an incredible pleasure to be part of the partnership with the U.S. Embassy and SCAPE on SCAPE's program known as Replay, where there was real engagement of students and educators and professionals in esports and industry, and the ability of students to immerse themselves into play and engagement in design, narrative design, game design and thinking, a whole array of different immersive activities. And we look forward to doing more and more and to support SCAPE's wonderful work and immersive learning for people of Singapore.
This Game Jam has been an inspiring journey where participants from diverse backgrounds come together to design and showcase innovative game prototypes. It truly reflects the spirit of SCAPE and how we're providing a platform for aspiring talents to shine and express themselves. We talked about how game is no longer merely an entertainment medium or a sector of the broader entertainment market, but has rapidly evolved to be an all-encompassing lifestyle. It's an exciting time ahead, and no better time than to meet here today to understand the various tracks, open up minds, meet like-minded people and professionals in the industry.